born as a gutter casual thug. #1 for all my people and my family. Real true story, man. You already know.
I love the game. I love the hustle, man. But if I leave, the fans still gonna love me?
I was born as a gutter casual thug. 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 Always with a prayer for all my people. This Fahim though. Look, I was born as a gutter casual thug. Gotta make up. It's so tremendous. All with a question. Tremendous what I say to get money for his God brothers and for his family. All the way with my mind say. I'm all through visionary with God, settle in with the folks, how it is, all in church, how it is, I count so well, turn rackets all the way through recording now, cost of living is what you count for, know how it is, do or die legacy, I'm the whole 50 grand, get rich or die train, through midway, rich, all with water, how it is, through accuracy, all through 10 and how it's out of 10 through rate, now how it is, through all with settles is fake, I'm the realest one out, Fahim Tone Records, so real, all the way recorded, so real, yeah. I was born as a gutter casual thug. 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 Yeah, look, we a winner though. Yes, we is born as a gutter casual thug. Promising the sickest land. Know how it is, we not fucking with nobody, not with no beat. We just doing our own thing with determination. Know how it is, we turned it so well. Salute to his mom and his people that raised him right. A vicious through the studio, vicious through an artist. Know how it is, the first started. Speaking rightfully, street light, gotta maintain for the fortune and the fame. When you're hungry for pain, or when the people is dying so real. Life of crime through intelligent. When he talking, it's not super less. We trying to not count out for the fake people. Trying to bring a man to get saved. Know how it is with deliverance. We clap through a blessing. Yes, and we so real. I could do it so surreal just like that. Yeah, Jada. Rock so well, I already know. I was born as a gutter casual thug. 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 Yeah, man. Tell a question though, listen up, all with a prayer, yeah, all through with a voice inside, yeah, boy. We get sold with tracks, know how it is, indeed, yeah, street life you gotta maintain for fortune and fame when the jagger speaks all the way headed to the people town, all the way how it is, rolling with a Rolex, Bentley, she can have anything, do how it is, Ironwood, do, and caught up in the world. Anything she want is with a prayer, do with a gift, with a seal, through lane, through attachment, do a life of crime with so many people got so killing, all the way to the cities of hell. All we how to do is gotta see so well. All we count with faith, all through with a blessing. His mom raised him, all right with a prosper. How it is with natural with God and structure, all through how it is. I don't want to be around him though. How it is in the street when we got all through a close to a side with people so real, yeah. Putting in respect though, how it is though. You don't gotta be so real, you could be by yourself and to be yourself though. All the way with strings, know how it is, all the way we speak the real life so clean though. For his day one people, and my day one people, and my family though. The Jag boy, street life gotta maintain, man. You already know, man. I was born as a gutter casual thug. 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 Yo, look, we was born as a gutter casual thug. Know how it is though, in the city of hell. Know how it is though, with so many friends around them and they only be in life for a season cause they so fake and not so real. All the way through, staring through, all the way when I was rocking through my gold. Fresh pair of kicks, all the way counting through them days, every days. Hustling for the chips, all the way in the rain like an orphan child. All the way how it is. I'm talking to you, but I'm telling you through real music all the way out. Hustler, yeah, man.